Stacy here and welcome back to my channel. So yes guys, today we're here at PrimeWay Suites here in F.Ramos Street, Cebu City. So yes guys, this is a newly opened hotel here on top of the PrimeWay Plaza. So just a minute away from Robinson's Mall guys, here in Fuente Circle. And later guys, we will go to Barangay Seoul to have dinner. So but anyways guys, before that I'm gonna give you guys a quick room tour, so let's go. So this is the executive suite. So yeah, this is the bed. This one, there's a side table here with telephone, and then the remote of the aircon and lights. Yeah, there's an outlet, and then of course it's an air-conditioned room. So there's an aircon, and here we have a TV and a desk. So if you want to work or something, so yeah, you can stay there. And here guys, there's a sink, mini kitchenette nila, and then there's a microwave, and there's the mini bar. So nadiri ang mga list nila. And then here guys, we have 2 cups for your coffee. So yeah, there's a complimentary coffee here. And then heater of course. And then here, let's move to the, what do you call this one guys? So yeah, there's hanger. And then here's our bag. We have the safe box for your valuable things. So yeah. And then this is the restroom. Yeah, there's a sink, hot and cold, the vanity mirror, glass, and then this is the toilet, yeah, tissue, and then here guys, the shower room. So yeah, they have a shampoo with conditioner and bath gel. Yeah, nice like overhead siya. And then there's some towels. There's 2 towels for the guests. So yeah, that will be all for our room tour guys. And wait. Look at this guys. They gave us some sweet treats. So it says here, "Dear Daisy, we hope these cookies make your stay at PrimeWay a little bit sweeter." Oh, love Tati. Who's Tati? Thank you, PrimeWay Suite.
남아있는 너의 온기와 너만의 향기, 함께 있던 그 같은 공간도 난 지우고 있어. All I can do is try. 우리만의 시간.
Alright guys, we're finally here inside Barangay Seoul. So yeah, look at our table guys.
Yeah, we're still preparing the foods guys. And actually it's unlimited samgyeopsal here. We are having our dinner here with Twin and Joseph. Actually it was Twin's post guys that went viral on Facebook, so yeah.
A few moments later.
We just finished our meal guys, our samgyeopsal. So how was it, Dave?
So yummy.
Yeah.
So full.
I think we're gonna go back to our suite or our hotel, and we're gonna spend the rest of the evening there, and we're gonna watch some movies because we've downloaded some movies a while ago. So and to mention guys, we also bought some snacks.
Yeah, that we bought from
Robinson's, because it's just a minute walk away guys from Robinson's. Yeah, it's very convenient. See you guys later.
Alright guys, we're back here in the room. Yeah, we're not able to vlog in Barangay Seoul while we're having samgyeopsal.
It's really packed with so many people, guys, and customers, because the owner said that the Korean, actually their owner is a Korean, guys. So we really had some discussions there, and he said that it is usually busy there during weekends. Yeah,
especially on weekends.
so we really highly recommend you guys to visit Barangay Seoul on weekdays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or if you're going there during weekend, guys, you better be early.
Yeah, better be early because the line is very long, guys.
Yeah. But it's all worth it, guys. I highly
Yeah.
recommend it. So right now, guys, we're just here. We're just planning to chill and watch movie.
Yeah, eat snacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, and by the way, guys, we would like to give a quick shout out to the manager here at PrimeWay Suites, Sir Dennis.
Yes, and also to Miss Danica. Thank you so much, ma'am.
The staffs here, guys, are really accommodating.
Yeah.
They're really nice, so it's really worth coming here, guys. So you better check this suite out, guys.
And
So-
look at that space, guys.
Yeah, it's so big, guys.
Very spacious.
Very spacious.
Yeah.
You can actually do some
Workout.
workouts here.
And
You better
tumbling and
yeah.
TikTok. So we better shoot our TikTok tomorrow or today.
We're gonna dance, guys, here because
Yeah.
this is like a dance floor here. Look at this, guys. Very spacious.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I'm done washing up, guys. Oh, fresh. Yeah, so we're now watching a movie.
Yeah, and our snacks here, guys.
Look at that, guys.
We can eat all of this, guys, in one setting.
Where? So yeah, we're watching Fall.
Yeah, it's trending on TikTok right now, so we're watching it.
This is just a voicemail. You can reach Dan, just leave a message, I'll get you back when I can. Get it off for the beat.
The next morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Sorry, guys, we were not able to vlog last night because we're busy watching movie and
Yeah.
everything. Yeah. So yeah, it was a nice movie. No?
Yeah, it was a nice movie.
Yeah, you should watch it, guys. What did we watch, babe?
Fall.
Fall.
That's the reason. That's the reason why it became really viral on TikTok and social media, because it's really a nice movie.
Yeah.
And by the way, guys, we're gonna be having a breakfast downstairs.
Yeah.
We just finished dressing up, guys.
And I'm wearing Seaman Lifestyles t-shirt. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Seaman Lifestyle.
Shout out Seaman Lifestyle
Yeah.
Apparel. So, guys, unfortunately, Tandov Street is still closed.
Yeah, it will be open at 10 a.m. guys.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna go for a little minute of walk, guys. Going to Jollibee because here is Jollibee.
It's just across PrimeWay Plaza.
Yeah, PrimeWay Plaza here. Look at this, guys. And there's the Post Coffee here, actually. Post Coffee. So let's go. So we saw the signage, guys, the drive-through of Jollibee. So we were thinking, or we were guessing that the Jollibee here is just a minute's walk away. We only walked for like 5 minutes, or less than 5 minutes. But the question is Jollibee here open already? Because it's still early, guys.
Yeah, it's
7.
open. It's open. Yeah.
It's open. Yay. This is our favorite fast food chain here in the Philippines, guys. If you guys didn't know. So let's go. Jollibee's here.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, we just finished breakfast, guys. And as always, that was one of the best breakfasts.
I only had spaghetti, guys, because I'm still full from the samgyup last night.
Yeah. And actually, guys, there's also so many restaurants here. Huh?
Yeah.
You can choose from. Aside from Jollibee, if you're not into fast food,
Yeah.
you can also have some ramen, but it opens late, 9 a.m. I think, or 10 a.m. So yeah, we're gonna go back to our suite right now. So just like that, we're now back here, PrimeWay Plaza, guys. You guys see that? It's just 5 minutes. We only. Yeah, this is the lobby. Actually, I can camouflage here, guys, because it's like my polo.
Yay! It's cold here. Look how messy the room is.
We're back. That was really quick.
Yeah.
That was just 5 minutes from Jollibee.
Hey guys, time check. It's already 11:50. It's about time to check out. So yeah, I'm ready, guys. Jude is still preparing. Hi.
Right, we're checking out, guys. Baby.
Bye guys. We're checking out.
We're on our way to 10 Dog Street, guys. Let's go.
Hey guys, so we're now here at 10 Dog Street. So we have our lunch here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, before heading to church.
Yeah, we'll go to church, guys, after this, after our lunch.
To avail your meals, guys, instead of 165, you just have to pay 100 pesos for their cakes. Yeah. I really love their cakes here at 10 Dub Street.
And also, guys, look at this. The beverage menu, guys, is very stylish and very, very cute. Look at this. This is where you can see all the beverages available in this restaurant. And
Confectionery.
and look at the interior here. It's very, very classy looking and it's very, very aesthetic.
Yeah.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. This is just below the PrimeWay Suites. Yeah, it's located here in PrimeWay Plaza, since PrimeWay Suites is located at the 3rd floor, and then this one here is downstairs.
Yeah, ground floor. Yeah. Actually, guys, we forgot to mention they also have ice creams here. So if you're into ice cream, they have available ice creams here. It's a classic and premium one. So most likely the premium one is much pricey.
Guys,
Thank you. And
guys, the food is here. I ordered beef stew, and what's yours, Dave?
mine is buffalo chicken wings. And this one is roasted chicken.
No, pandan.
Roasted chicken.
No, pandan.
Roasted pandan cake, I believe.
It's worth 300 pesos, guys, this one.
Yeah. So let's eat. Are you hungry? So guys, we're done with our lunch, guys. Look at that. All gone. And now let's try their sweet treat here, the desserts. The dessert, which we added a while ago. Cake. This is pandan, right?